Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Friday, so we get to review my portfolio to see which stocks am I going to be buying today. As a DCA investor, I already made my deposit into my brokerage account and I kind of have an idea of what am I going to be buying today, which is going to be a repetitive one. Johnson and Johnson and Starbucks. I'm going to continue to buy these two, continue to build those two positions. I'm down 8% on Johnson and Johnson, which is this one right here, but look at the share price. It's still $145.28. So it is still way under my cost. I want to continue building this position and continue to bring my yield on cost up. Right now it's at 3.13% with the $1.24 that they pay per share per quarter. So I want to continue to bring up my yield on cost right there and continue to build this position right here. And then the next one is going to be Starbucks. Share price is at $78.76. I got to continue taking advantage of this dip on Starbucks that they took in the negative by 7%. And my yield on cost right now, it is at 2.69%. So I want to continue to bring up my yield on cost by bringing down my cost per share. So I'm gonna continue working on that. Another position that I really want to start buying some more and more of is All Realty Income. This one is a higher yielder real estate company, monthly payer. I like those monthly payments on this company. I'm down 10% right now. I continue to bring down my cost. It's at $57, but share price right now is at $51. So I'm gonna be buying a little bit heavier on these three. That is going to be the plan for today. And whatever extra I have, I do want to buy some more Pfizer, Vichy, and Camview. I want to put like at least a cup of coffee into each one of these. And that's going to be the plan pretty much for today. One position that I'm going to be making a video of pretty soon that I am planning or I'm contemplating selling off, it's going to be Apple. Ticker symbol AAPL. Maybe I'll leave the reason why for the video, but I'm really contemplating selling this position and bringing my portfolio down to 15 positions. But I'm still thinking about it. It's just it doesn't meet one of my goals with this portfolio. But I'm gonna leave it for another video. And then, of course, I'm gonna be buying some more SCHD. I'm planning on making a bit larger deposit in the upcoming weeks so I can buy one whole share of SCHD. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can follow the journey and like this video so you can also continue to support the channel. But I am planning on buying one whole share. The SHD is paying in June, so I'm really excited about June. I gotta make the May video, the incomes or the dividends that I received in the month of May. So I gotta make that video. But I'm really excited about June. That one is really the one that I'm looking forward to. That one I'm gonna record right away because I'm really excited. I expect very high dividends. If you see it right here. In March, I received $63. In June, I'm expecting that I should be receiving more than that. So let's see how it goes. But I'm really excited, and I cannot wait for June. And then another one that I really was looking into right here is the topic of the week: Salesforce Inc. Ticker symbol CRM. They took a big dip. After announcing earnings, and as you can see right here, it is down in the last 5 days 23%, almost 24% pretty much. This company has a market cap of $211 billion. Earnings per share $5.56. PE ratio right now, it went down to 39.21. It was much higher before. Forward PE 24.78. Look at that dividend, 0.73%. $1.60 per share per year. Analysts are calling this a buy right now. And after I saw this on the Joseph Carlson's channel, I looked at it. I looked at all the information that he gave on there, and I really liked what I saw. I have to do a little bit more research on this company, of course. I'm not gonna make a decision just because, but I looked at their website, I looked at their products, and let me click on it, and then I saw many of the products that they have: AI, sales services. These are field services, marketing, commerce. So I'm sure this they help with e-commerce or something like that. Data cloud, MuleSoft, Slack is one that we used at my job. Now, with this one, I have mixed feelings because I kind of did not like it at my job, but it kind of gave me more work, to be honest with you. But Slack is one that they have. Net Zero, not sure what this is, but it's a cloud business. They also have cloud businesses. They help small businesses, and they have many, many different products. But one of the things when I looked at the financials and I saw the revenue, I just took a quick look, right? Don't go by what I'm saying here. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. You got to do a deeper research. But I'm just going to do a quick research on a few things, which is the revenue. As you can see, is just going up and up and up year after year. In 2019, $17 billion in revenue. Look at 2023, double pretty much. $34 billion in revenue, and they just continue to grow and grow and grow. Uh, and then in the shares outstanding, as you can see, they were going up in shares. They were diluting the shareholder slowly, 992 million shares in 2022. But then it looks like they're buying back shares now. In 2023, 974 million shares. So that is a good sign. I like that. The free cash flow, because this is a dividend payer. I believe they only have one dividend, so I'm gonna show it in a minute. Free cash flow, they went from $3.6 billion in free cash flow in 2019 to $9.5 billion. So they are going up in free cash flow, which is very, very nicely. And then let's take a look at the debt. This is something else that I like to look at, and it looks like they're paying off debt also. They were as high as $14 billion in debt in 2022, but now they went down to $12.5 billion in debt. So they have been pretty much buying back shares, paying off debt. They have a lot of free cash flow, so that's a really, really good sign. And if we go into the dividends right here, they only have one dividend, 40 cents per share on March 13. They paid it in April. So you should be looking forward, if you start a position right now, you should be looking into, if once they pay in March or if they pay in June, in April, you'll probably get a dividend in either June or July, something like that. One of those months, not sure. I did not do my research on that one. But as you can see right here, dividend yield 0.73%, $1.60 per share per year. Payout ratio only 38%. So that's a very good payout ratio. In my opinion, they're going to be paying quarterly, which is good. No dividend growth percentage because they only pay one. But this is one that definitely is going to be on my radar. I added it into my watch list. Something very interesting. I just gotta do a little bit more research on the company, but their numbers, they look very, very nicely, and I gotta look a little bit more into their recent earnings. I gotta look into. So, but they look really, really good from what I saw on that one video. What do you think about Salesforce right there? Ticker symbol CRM. Right now they are up pre-market today 0.17%. So leave me your opinion in the comment section. Should this be one that I should add into my portfolio? It is a dividend payer. It looks like it's growing and growing. And if we look at the share price only, let me see. The last month is down 18%. Year to date is down 16%. Wow. And then in the last year, it is down almost 1%. They actually went as high as $316 in share price. And then in the last 5 years, as you can see right here, up 43% pretty much. They have taken some dips in the past. So maybe something that I can wait a little bit longer. Maybe I'll try to time the market, even though that's not very good. But time the market, maybe buy it at a cheaper price on this one on Salesforce. But everything looks pretty good from the few stats that I looked at. So, but please leave me your opinion in the comment section. Maybe one that I should sell Apple and buy that one. I don't know, but I am contemplating selling Apple. To be honest with you, it doesn't meet one of my goals with this portfolio, and I do want to make a video as to why I want to sell Apple. All right, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave me your opinion in the comment section of what are you buying today as a DCA investor, or if you buy monthly. Maybe you do buy monthly. That's pretty cool. But I like to buy every Friday. Every Friday. That's what I've been getting used to for the past 2 years, and I really like it and enjoy it. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.